transition is good. What do you guys?
I mean, it could be either or. We could do it could be transition or it could be good program related.
Yeah.
I'm fine. Yeah, I'm fine with that.
Okay.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. So once we do that,
It's way at the bottom.
there we go.
Just start to type in do, and it'll pop up for you. Do not delete. I think you have to actually get the delete in there for it to start to pop up.
There we go. So we normally don't do that, but in order to get it inserted, we have to fix.
Well, make it messy. Make it messy.
I don't know what happened, but I just realized they have movies on YouTube. The Perfect Holiday just started. I'm finally on lunch, my hour lunch from editing this. Where's my Apple Pen?
Take your spotlight. If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful.
And I actually should put y'all on here, but I don't feel like it. Also working, y'all. Work from home be like,
That's why I was to come through
for real. Alright, y'all. Here's the final look. Ooh, I still see my line. Hold on. I don't like that. I don't like that. Period. Okay. Face card eats down, okay? And make sure I'm flash proof, y'all. Because on camera isn't like I don't know, it's probably the lighting. I don't fucking know.
See, what's the point in waiting anymore? 'Cause girl, I've never been more sure that baby it's you. This ring here represents my heart and everything that you've been waiting for. Just say
Alright, y'all, so the concert was a success. I had fun. But it's fucking cold outside. Why is it so cold outside? Like, I literally feel a cold coming about on me. It's mad cold outside. If you have ripped jeans, just put them shits on. I want to do a little unboxing of my coat, but it's really brick out here. And if you're in New York City, you know what the fuck I'm talking about. So I'm just here waiting for the shuttle. I'm about to go see my nigga.
What the fuck they be doing like that, bro?
So I was gonna show y'all my coat. So it's warm as fuck because my dumbass put on a skirt and shit for my concert. I'm warm. Like, my legs are not even as cold as they were before. But yeah, y'all, I love it. Y'all already know I'm trying to. I don't know if y'all know the ladies, the pink lady and the green lady. I'm trying to be like them when I get older. All right, y'all. So this vlog is going up. Basically, Vlogmas Day 4 morning. So I'm gonna drop Vlogmas Day. All right, y'all. Correct me if I'm wrong. Am I the only one that has issues like using the word coat and jacket interchangeably? Like, I don't really be knowing like what's the difference. I'm about to look it up when I get inside. For real, because I really don't know. I really don't know. Niggas looking at me because I have a dress on. I don't even have a jacket on. I should have a shirt and a scarf. God, fix it. Not blow.
Morning. I just came back home. So I didn't really do much yesterday. I just went to my concert, got ready. So I'm probably gonna put 3 or 4 together. I'm uploading my first day right now. Excuse me, that was last week. I mean 2 and 3. I'm gonna uploading my first day of Vlogmas right now, which is fine because I'm still in the first week of December. And then tonight I'm gonna put up 3 and 4. I'm not doing nothing today, but I have to set a time. I have to set a time throughout the day when I'm gonna stop vlogging and start editing. What time y'all think is good? I think like I think yeah, I forgot what the hell I was about to say, y'all. I forgot what I was about to say. The thoughts in my brain just be going like this. Not all the time, but when they do, I just like all over the place. But yeah, I'm working.
So it's really time to go. Time to take my cod liver oil pill and my cranberry. Cheers to the girls' weekend. Yara, every single video. Yeah, because that's what I do. All right, y'all, I'm gonna walk to the train now. Yo, first, like I was telling y'all. Hold on, y'all. I didn't even show y'all my coat. I mean, I showed y'all the coat on, but I didn't show y'all the coat. These pets. Touching it, grabbing on it, whatever, you already know. And it's pink, y'all. This is my first time actually having like an actual pink coat as an adult. I love it. I'm here for it. I don't know why I didn't do it sooner. If you have a favorite color, get that fucking color in your coat, bro. Don't give a fuck if it's gonna get dirty. It's gonna get dirty regardless. Your coat's gonna get dirty regardless. Regardless. Let me show y'all. A chic. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Ain't she cute? She cute. I'm not gonna lie, I definitely could have gotten it a size bigger. But I usually get all my coats in a large. However, this is a large, but it's like a slim thick. You know, it's like a slim, not a slim thick. It's like a slim large. So it fits me. But when I put like another, like I had this under it today, and I was able to get it under there, but I was just snug as a bug in a rug. But I love it. And I actually want to see if they have like hats. I best believe the hat is gonna be pink too. Nah, probably not. That's too much. I already have pink hats. I'm most likely gonna be wearing that with my Charles Jeffrey hat because it's the bunny. The bunny. Are we going on break? Break. It's 2:40. Come back at 2:55. I want to go to work tonight, but I really don't know because I really don't know. Yeah, I'm so tempted to wrap these locks up and slap a wig on. Honestly, I am going to. I always get like dumb shit in my fucking DMs. Look at all these random ass. Emmy, what is the matter? Leave the. What is the matter? I don't be fucking. All these random ass groups. Y'all, Vlogmas Day 2 is up already. It's up already. Vlogmas Day 3 was yesterday. I didn't really do anything much. I didn't really do much. So I'm putting 3 and 4 together. Because I'm not really doing much today either, but together. It's a day. Clock it. I'm so happy about this because y'all really get to see, like, I'm really putting myself on camera. Like, I got 2 phones, 2 cameras. Yeah. Oh, actually, I should check if GoPro has a sale. Because I bought my boyfriend a GoPro. And now I want one. I'm in the house. But I got this one on because I'm trying to, I don't know, I'm kind of cold, low key. I'm hungry. Then we're gonna go and get some ramen from the corner store. The corner store is on the corner. I really don't feel like putting on my coat just to go in the corner. So we're just gonna go. I am big on looking presentable outside. And I think I look cute. Here. Okay. Oh, God. I also wanted to like roller skate to the store, but I feel like that's me trying to do too much. What y'all think? I really should not be going outside like this. I'm already sick. I don't know if y'all been hearing it, but I've been getting sick for a very long time. Yeah, y'all. So I'm looking back to my yard right now. I got my stool. I don't got no weed though, but again, I'm not that type of pothead. If I don't got it, I'm not smoking no weed. If I don't got it to spend, I ain't smoking no weed. Take the shoes off. Y'all, not too much on my sneakers, okay? These have been through it all for me. And honestly, all I gotta do is put them in the washer. So, shut the fuck up. Alright, I'm super proud of myself. I've had my YouTube channel
since 2010. And I'm now starting, I'm now starting to really get subscribers and actually really want to upload and stuff, which is crazy. I'm just giving myself a little flowers right now because I'm really doing it. But y'all, am I the only one that thinks that things that are in glass bottles just taste so much better? Okay. But yeah, this is bomb. It tastes so much different than the apple juice in a plastic bottle. Sometimes with a little wash on it, so pretty. I'm still trying to sweat clearly, y'all. And I'm not gonna lie, my camera's gonna cut off, so I'm gonna have to look at the battery. I'm not really doing nothing today, I'm not gonna lie. So this might be the end of day 3 or 4. I'm not going to work. I'm not doing anything. I'm just chilling. Big chilling. I might go skating a little later. And I'll see, I'll probably put y'all down somewhere, but it gotta be somewhere. I'll probably go take the black camera because the pink gonna stand out. Niggas might see that. And I have my pink coat, my pink skates, yeah, my pink hat. So yeah, or I might just game, and I could take clips of that. Also, follow me on Twitch. I stream. I play PS5. I play Call of Duty. I play on PS5. I play Call of Duty, Fortnite, Apex, GTA. I've been a gamer since PlayStation 1. Nah, not even that. I've been a gamer since Sega. Kid you not. I had the Beavis and Butthead game. If you know what I'm talking about, comment below. But yeah, follow my Twitch. I'm gonna put it somewhere on the screen here. But follow my Twitch. Okay, and if you're following me on Instagram, you already should be following my Twitch because I post my Twitch on my Instagram. If you're not following my Instagram, what are you doing? Go follow me. Sierra Monique, 2 E's or underscore. Thank you.